My name is Mohammad Reza Shekafrush, and today I'm going to be talking about Trustworthy AI, bridging the ethic gap surrounding the AI. As more companies adopt AI, leaders grapple with ethical decisions about its design and use. Global AI regulation will eventually address ethic concerns, but until then, we should working to bridge the ethic gap. Why do we need trustworthy AI? An analysis of recent annual reports shows a very telling trend. According to Wall Street Journal article, twice as many companies reported to use of artificial intelligence as a risk factor in 2018 compared with those citing it in the previous year. And now we are in 2021 and the ethic concern got even more serious. While AI can deliver exponential benefit to companies that successfully leverage its power, if this technology implemented without ethical safeguards, it can also damage a company's reputation and future performance. Now, how we can build trust? Consumers conduct transactions with organizations hundreds of thousands of times per day throughout the actions like scrolling web pages, banking online, or calling customer service. These transactions seem to be free of charge, but they are not in reality. The currency is customer is paying is the consumer data, which they might don't realize. Customer should be able to trust that the data they share will be used ethically and without bias by organization and their AI algorithm they employ. By focusing on AI bias and emphasizing AI ethic, companies can help protect customer data while building brand equity and customer trust. So now let's see where we should start. Although we are in early days of commercial AI regulation, organizations shouldn't sit by and wait for others to create a roadmap. To do that could mean missing out on gains made possible by AI. Instead, I think the organization board of directors and C-suite should view ethical AI as an imperative that can't be ignored at all. To tackle this challenge, the C-suite leader can leverage a trustworthy AI framework that promotes the ethical use of AI and sustain the trust of customers and employees alike. So what does the AI framework should look like and how we should build that AI? We should put trust at the center of everything we do. We should use a multi-dimensional AI framework to help organizations develop ethical safeguards across 6 key dimensions. And those 6 key dimensions are fair and impartial, transparent and explainable, responsible and accountable, robust and reliable, respectful of privacy, and safe and secure. This is a crucial step to managing the risk and capitalizing on the return associated with artificial intelligence. So let's get a little bit deeper on those 6 key dimensions that I mentioned. So for the first time, fair and impartial. It means assess whether AI system include internal and external checks to help enable equitable application across all participants. The second one means help participants understand how their data can be used and how AI systems make decisions, and algorithms, attributes, and correlation are open to inspection. The third one, which is responsible and accountable, means put an organization structure and policies in a place that can help clearly determine who is responsible for the output of AI system decision. Fourth, robust and reliable means confirm that AI systems have the ability to learn from human and other systems and produce consistent and reliable outputs. Fifth, respectful of privacy means respect data privacy and avoid using AI to leverage customer data beyond its intended and stated use. Allow customer to opt in and out of sharing their data whenever they want. And last but not least, safe and secure. Protect AI system from potentially risk, including cyber risk that may cause physical and digital harm. As a final word, I would like to say AI is like a newborn baby, and we should be super careful how we are going to raise this newborn. Other than that, we might regret of things that we could have done while we had time and we didn't. I hope you liked this short presentation. Thank you for your time, and please let me know if you have any question or concern.